Hi guys. So, this is my literally fourth video. What happened? Okay. So, gumawa ko ng video kahapon. Inedit ko. Perfect siya. Well, not totally perfect. It's like a little update on what happened on the past couple of weeks. Specifically, 13 days ago. Anyway, nakurap yung video na yon. It was an honest mistake as well on my part. Mali po. So here I am, taking a video again. So I'll be fast. Okay. So here's a little update. Nagkasakit ako. Nagkaroon ako ng chicken pox. And hindi ako makapag-video at that time because I have to take care of it first. Now that I'm fine na, well, hindi totally yung skin ko, hindi totally siya healed. Pero it's a work in progress. Um, a lot of things happened for the past couple of weeks. A lot of things happened for the past couple of weeks. And it was a very depressing era so far. But right now, what's important and what matters is I'm fine. And tuloy-tuloy na yung vlog natin. If magkakaroon man ng mistake, well, we will do it again and again. And we will keep on uploading videos, especially sa vlog here. My vlog here on my YouTube channel. I've talked to some of my family. I've mentioned my channel and I'm very happy kasi namang supportive nila. And sana kayo rin guys, if you can comment down anong gusto nyo gawin ko. You can do a lot of talent. You can do a lot of stuff. Pero yung dapat yung abangan sa August, ito na nga, is podcast. Podcast with my friends. Podcast on my own as well. And also, well, sana natin isipin yan. Habang nandito tayo sa Leyte, we will vlog as much as possible sa mga pupuntahan natin, sa mga kakainin, sa lahat actually. And next video, itutour ko kayo ulit sa bukid. This time, kasi maayos na siya. You know? So, habang nagkaroon ako ng sakit, andun si mama sa bukid, inaayos niya yung bukid, and mas maaliwalas siya ngayon. And napaka refreshing pumira sa bukid na totoo. On August, I'll be back on my city life. I'll miss this place so much. Especially yung dagat. I will miss a lot of things here. Kaya, bukod dun sa announcement ko na podcast for August, focus muna tayo dito sa Leyte. A lot of things happened. Hindi na ako mag-elaborate ng mga details, but it is what it is. Short update lang para sa inyo. Abangan niyo yung maraming vlogs ko for, well, my stay here sa Leyte.